Learn how to create your own Disney Resort TV channel. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm Mark, your host. Thanks for joining me again. If you know me personally or have watched even just a few of these Your Creative Brief episodes, you know that I am a huge Disney Parks fan. And I love to bring a little bit of that magic home with me, whether it's a scented candle that smells like a favorite attraction, or maybe it's a treasured souvenir. And recently I had this idea to create my own amped up version of Resort TV, which is the channel that Disney pumps into their hotels to tell you about the times that the parks open and close, the weather, and transportation. This was really quite easy to do just by swapping out my Roku Screensaver, so let's take a look at how to do it. Step number 1. Gather Disney photos that you've taken at the park. Just ask my wife and son, I take way too many photos at Disney.
Enough photos already.
I also added graphic design to make it a little bit more realistic. Make sure your designs are 1920 pixels wide by 1080 pixels tall or a 16:9 video ratio. Step number 2. Sign into Google and upload your photos or videos to Google Photos. Okay, step number 3. Now this one is the most tricky step. You need to go to Google on your phone or your iPad and type in PhotoView, all one word, and then Roku. And one of your top results is going to be channelstore.roku.com. Now, this is the official Roku.com site, so it's safe. When you go there, you're going to see information about the PhotoView app for Google Photos. So you want to add that channel and follow the instructions to sync that up to your Google Photos account. For your fourth and final step, you need to go back to your Roku TV device, drill into Settings, then Theme, then Screensavers, and you should have a brand new option there called PhotoView. You can get into that and change your settings like the transitions and the time for each slides, and you can preview your new screensaver. Just make sure that you set it as the new screensaver for your Roku device. Okay, let's take a look at some of the results. Overall, I was really pleased with the way this turned out. It was a fun little project. And it's just great to look back over the years of all of our special places in the Disney parks and those memories and the magic. And hopefully you'll enjoy taking a look at some of these photos for a couple moments. I'm sure some of you have created incredible Disney DIY projects to help you keep the magic going after your vacation. And I want to know about those, so leave me some comments below. If you'd also take a moment to click the subscribe button and notification icon, I'd greatly appreciate it. That'll do it for this episode. I'm Mark, and I'll see you next time on Your Creative Brief.